In an earlier video, we showed you how Ali and Cece were able to produce a report that summarizes evaluators' scores and comments on pending applications. In this video, we'll show you how they can use the same tool to produce a report on any of the data they've collected. Foundant's reporting system lets you create and save the reports that you need so that every time you run them, you get up-to-date information. To help the people preparing the organization's IRS Form 990, she's prepared a report that will pull all of the information they need on the organization's grants, including deductibility codes. Today, Ali's been tasked with creating a report that looks at grant totals over time. She could start this by copying and adapting one of her current reports, but instead she's chosen to start from scratch. She's going to choose which columns she wants included in the report. Ali has easily over 100 different pieces of data she could pull into the system. You might start with something simple, like an organization's name. If there's information off the application, she could do that. She could even pull in information from final reports that organizations have submitted. If she doesn't know where to find something, there's a search tool to help her find it. When she runs her new report, Ali has a number of tools that she can work with. Notice that a number of the requests pulled into the report don't have an amount awarded. Those are pending requests. The system has a number of ways of eliminating them, including adding a quick filter. Ali might want to break down her data to see it in pieces or groups. For example, she might want to group this data by year. And once she's done that, she could choose to add totals or count the number of items at each group. Ali might also choose to add charts. She can even break down and analyze the data by more than one variable. When she's done, Ali can save the report, giving her and her colleagues access to it anytime they need it in the future. Foundant's philosophy is that your data is exactly that, your data, and you should be able to get all of it in the form that you want whenever you need. Our clients are continually coming up with new ways of looking at data that we've never thought about, and they use some of the more advanced features in the reporting tool, such as crosstabs and formulas, to do detailed analysis on financial information or fill in holes with old data. There's a lot more the software can do. In fact, with 1,300 funders using the system and new features continually being rolled out, it's a good bet that we can meet your needs. In reality, Ali, Chris, and Tiffany represent the thousands of people that use Foundant's system every day. In fact, it's not uncommon for Foundant to get 10 or even 15,000 applications in a week. We'd love to provide you with more information. You can click below to sign up for our next live webinar or get pricing information. You can also click below to request a custom demo. The custom demo allows us to build a site that would show you exactly how we'd be able to meet your needs.